Good morning, everyone. Starting out quiet, temperatures are still chilly, but we have the clear sky, so now that the sun's coming up, we'll warm up quickly thanks to some strong south and southwest winds that we'll be experiencing throughout the day today. So while it's chilly now, it will not be chilly this afternoon. It'll actually be fairly mild with above average readings into the mid-50s today. We're currently at 30 in Lapeer, 31 in Flushing, cold spot now in Sandusky at 25. We're at 28 in Midland, 30 in Freeland, 27 in Gladwin, and 28 in Tawas. Bad Axe now at 29 along with Cass City. So chilly temperatures a little bit below average by a couple of degrees. Not too terrible though. Later today we'll go a couple of degrees above average as we have high pressure just to the south of the area. We also have our next cold front across northern Wisconsin getting into the UP. Snow this morning in Sault Ste. Marie, a little bit of that in Marquette before it mixed with rain. However, that moisture stays to the north, but as the cold front sneaks south today, that's what will cause the winds to really start to pick up. Plus, we'll get a cool down as we head into your Friday, so try and take advantage of today before some slightly colder air moves back into the area. It's not going to stick around though, because once this front swings south, it'll actually start to lift back to the north as we head towards Saturday. That gives us rain opportunities from Saturday throughout the next several days into your weekend. There is a bit of warm air though out ahead of this system. Again, the front lining up right through here, but look at Minneapolis this morning. Sioux Falls into the 40s. Yeah, it's going to be feeling pretty nice later today as we get into the 50s, but then we have to watch that cold front knocking temperatures down. I'm thinking to about 44 for a high as we head to your Friday. So gusty south and southwest winds today. The front sneaks through without any rain or snow tonight. North winds move back in over Lake Michigan, also Lake Huron, Lake Superior, and the water temperatures are still into the upper 30s. So as that northerly wind comes over the lakes, we're not concerned about lake effect snow, but that is going to bring some colder air back into the area. And tomorrow, we're looking at wind chills into the upper 30s after being so comfortable today into the mid-50s. We also have baseball to talk about. It's opening season here today. The first pitch tonight at 6:05 for the Loons in Midland. We're looking at temperatures right around 53 to 54 for game time. It will be a little breezy, so hopefully that won't have too many impacts with the players today. Tomorrow, the Yankees are coming to town in Detroit. If you're heading to Detroit, bundle up. Mid-40s, that's going to be the high about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But at the start of the game, we could still see temperatures near 40, but the wind chills will be into the upper 30s because of these strong north and northwesterly winds with that front that moves in overnight tonight. Tonight we're looking at the temperature down to 29 degrees or so, a bit of a west-northwest wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow there's that colder temperature at 44 degrees, but there is some warmth returning quickly. Remember I said the boundary slides south, then it sneaks back to the north Saturday. That's going to open up the door for some rain, but also warmer air. And it looks like we've got a stretch of warmer air for a change rather than it being 1 or 2 days and then it's gone. Looks like we'll stay into the upper 40s and low 50s as we head through the weekend and into early next week while dodging a few rain showers.